Hello and welcome back. Google Docs adds a new badge to read through your comments faster than ever. Google Docs has been one of the most popular word processor that is available online. It also happens to be free to use software that is also part of the Google Docs editor suite offered by Google. The makers have currently been working continuously towards improving their software day by day. To help you guys out, we have managed to gather some information about Google Docs' new badge. The makers of Google Docs managed to gain a lot of popularity after they added a new dialog box to their application. With the Google Docs' new badge, user will now be able to identify which is the comments are new and unreaded. All the user needs to do is move the cursor over the comments and see the word new pop up next the comment. This will only happen if the comment has not been read by the user before. Apart from this feature, makers have also added a new filtering option that allows the user to show the comments that are directly addresses them. The badge will also, if the comments have been marked resolved, seeking the number of changes made to the software certainly show that the makers are working continuously to help make their user experience even more convenient and quickly navigate through large document. How to use Google Docs. Step number 1. Create a new document. 1. To create a new document. 2. Open the Docs home screen at docs.google.com on your computer. Choose the option Start a new document and click blank new. 4. You can also create a new document from the URL docs.google.com/create. Step 2. Edit and format. 1. To edit document. 2. Open the document in Google Docs on your computer. 3. Choose the word and double-click it, or use your cursor to select text you want to change. 4. You can then start editing your document. 5. To undo or redo action, click undo or redo. 6. Note: to edit document on touch screen devices like Pixelbook, double tap the document to start typing. 7. You can add new edit text, paragraph spacing and more in documents. 8. Format paragraph or font. 9. Add title, heading or table of content. Step number 3. Share and work with others. You can share files and folder with people and choose whether they can view, edit or comments on them.